This is boat material, and this is the straps from the life vests. I went to Lesbos to volunteer, and I saw the excessive amount of material that's left behind on the beaches, and I said, let's make a bag, because there's material and there's a shortage of bags. The kids are really happy when they make something themselves, and they feel empowered. They can actually do something, and they can have a useful object or product they can carry on.